Firstly, a huge congratulations to all the pass-out students and best wishes for the bright future ahead. Today, as Deputy Mayor and the Vice Chairperson of Khopa Circle, I'm pleased to share my hearty greetings with the Chief Guest and the Secretary of Nepal Workers and Peasants Party and the Member of Federal Parliament, Mr. Prem Suwal, with the Chairman of this program and the Mayor of Bhaktapur Municipality, Mr. Sunil Prajapati, guest and the Member of Provincial Parliament, Ms. Srijana Saiju, Chief Administrative Officer of Bhaktapur Municipality, Mr. Basanta Badrai, all the elected members of Bhaktapur Municipality, distinguished guests on the dais, all the principals of Khopa Secondary School, Khopa College of Law, and all the principals from Khopa Circle, Medical Director of Khopa Hospital, all the guests from various institutions, vice principals, professors, heads of all departments of these colleges and all the faculties, all the media persons, all the administrative staffs, and especially to all my dear students on their way to be graduated from Khopa Secondary School and Sharda Campus Secondary School, ready to take off for your further endeavors. Dear students, today I take this opportunity to express my best wishes to you all to move forward to reach the destination you have envisaged, and my belief is that you have spent good time to grasp the stream to reach the destination you have fantasized. As it is the right of every citizen to get education as per one's wish or passion, be equipped and serve the nation. Today, Khopa Secondary School has grown up high with 7 different wings in Khopa Circle, with firm foundation from this school, as the result has shown, which was inseminated in 2056 BS by Nepal Workers and Peasants Party, led by its visionary leader, Mr. Narenman Bijukche Comrade Rohit, recognized the importance of education in fostering development for society and the country holistically. With this vision, the party launched the program A Graduate from Each Household in Bhaktapur. To achieve this goal, Bhaktapur Municipality first established Khopa Higher Secondary School in 2056 BS. After tireless effort to overcome the hurdles from different sectors of the system in the country, following the successful completion of higher secondary education from Khopa Secondary and Sharda Campus Mabi and other colleges of Bhaktapur School and other colleges in Bhaktapur, the municipality established Khopa College in 2058 BS, affiliated to Tribhuvan University, to offer graduate and master's program in science, management and humanities. Additionally, Khopa Engineering College was established the same year to cater to students aspiring becoming architects and engineers in different programs, as well as experts in earthquake engineering and urban design and conservation, affiliated to Purvanchal University. Similarly, Khopa Polytechnic was established in 2060 BS to fulfill the demand of people in aspiring to study undergraduate in civil engineering and nursing field to serve its society. Whereas to cater the demand in engineering stream, Khopa College of Engineering was established in 2065 BS, affiliated with Tribhuvan University for the infrastructural and IT development in the country. In 2079 BS, Khopa College of Law was established to the outreach of grassroots level of the society in legal spectrum. Dear all, Today, as a deputy mayor, I assure you all that any subject you have chosen will be of great value, of course, for yourself, certainly, to the municipality and the country. Only you have to come up with your intuition, that is, from your inner heart. So, to fulfill the motto of Bhaktapur municipality as guided by Nepal Workers and Peasants Party, to keep on establishing different programs as per need of the society and link the education with labor to serve the society and our nation in appropriate direction. Similarly, I'm from the same society as we all are in, and at the same time, I'm from architecture stream, which is one among many programs in engineering field, such as building construction, electrical, mechanical, irrigation, and many more. As you all might know, engineering is the application of science, technology, and mathematics to solve problems, to design and manufacture products, and to provide the infrastructure that modern society needs. Whereby, if art is added in building engineering, becomes a piece of architecture with functional at the same time aesthetic value. Furthermore, architecture is one of the incredible subjects with given a title as Mother of all Arts that combines building science and technology with building art or innovation and its built environment, that means exterior of the building. Architecture and built environment do not just stop here. As in other subjects, it is something to do with purpose, lifestyle, culture, history, geographic location, weather and climate, and for sure economy. Additionally, it is also the human science and human dimension too. For building created are for human behavior, so it has to be suited for them and be a healthy home with healthy environment holistically to create a piece of architecture. As you have seen in the Newar towns of Kathmandu Valley and an exemplary city, Bhaktapur, especially with traditional Newar architecture of medieval period. One more thing I would like to share with you all for your beneficiary, some of activities of Bhaktapur municipality as our duty to serve citizens of Bhaktapur with the principle think globally, act locally. The vision of Bhaktapur municipality is making cultural city Bhaktapur the city of art and architecture and culture, and at the same time an arena of science and technology, with the objective of providing quality education to all with economically common strata of the society. So I request you all to accomplish your academic journey and be the strength of the municipality and the country. Therefore, Bhaktapur municipality has been setting its priority on education to widen the horizon of its people with intellectuality. To pursue higher education, as mentioned earlier, all the 7 institutions undertaken by the municipality allocates sufficient amount of budget for the intelligent and needy to students who join these colleges as per their performance throughout every year. Additionally, if someone who wishes to graduate in any interested field such as political science, culture, geography, history, native language or Nepal Bhasha in Bhaktapur, economy and logic science, where we will feel that our country is lacking experts in these subjects to guide, and we the citizens are suffering in the country. So to fulfill the gap, our municipality has been facilitating them with scholarships so that the new generation with expertise in these subjects and move forward accordingly. Additionally, municipality has continued its scheme to give loan or provide loan of up to 5 lakhs with minimal interest rate is available for those who could not get intake if they are in economic crisis. Moreover, to make Bhaktapur an arena of science and technology, the municipality is focusing on creating experts in various fields. Those are essentials for the holistic and a sustainable, independent city of the 21st century, retaining its value as a city of art and culture, created by our predecessors from medieval period. For the purpose, budget has been allocated even for researchers in relevant subjects. We do not just stop here. Furthermore, municipality also provides entrepreneurship loan scheme as a startup. So we are confident that all of you will make optimum use of this service, and we believe that you will be not just academically sound but be psychologically strong and physically fit for capacity building of our city and the country. Getting education from the country with firm foundation from Khopo Secondary School, which is wisely moving forward with the destination of making Bhaktapur a center of education, producing valuable youths who are like you, who are being capable to serve our city and the nation. Dear students, in the 21st century, we see challenges in every step. So I urge all the students to be sincere, dedicated in your studies and make optimum use of the facilities provided by Bhaktapur municipality to overcome these hurdles, to move forward smoothly. You may choose and set challenging goals. Goals setting is one of the best ways to engage and motivate yourself. But goal setting is also a science and requires careful attention to the process in order to be successful. So I suggest you to set SMART goals. Here, SMART goals does not mean that you look smart just physically, but it is also being inner smartness, as every alphabet in this word gives meaning, such as S stands for specific, M stands for measurable, A stands for attainable, R stands for relevant, and time stands for time-bound. Apart from education, we in Khopo Circle share wisdom along with knowledge to make ourselves a human as well as to be social. So let us learn to be social, intellectual with humanity. As Martin Luther King Jr. said, education without morals is like a ship without a compass, merely wandering nowhere. By saying this, I would like to request you all to contribute remarkably to change our society positively and serve the community you are in, and Bhaktapur municipality is there to support you accordingly. Thank you very much, and once again congratulations and best wishes. Thank you.